If you're doing cutting with cut-off blades, whether it be air grinders or your electric grinder, rather than cutting your steel and then just forcing your way through, if you make multiple passes over top, what happens is it doesn't pinch the side of your blade, and it's better for your grinder, and it will actually keep your grinder blades going a lot longer. You get more out of your blades. You don't even actually have to go all the way through if you don't want. If you get past half, you can usually just snap the steel. So whether it's aluminum or steel, just multiple passes is much better. So follow a variety of projects that include conversions and repairs to anything from Ferraris to chainsaws. And check out the Take Boss, my newest invention that's coming to market. And remember, if you're not filthy, you're not rich.